Hey guys, this is Martin again, and today I want to talk a little bit about the prompt Regex Scanner tutorial. So this is again part of Llama Firewall and very well documented what it does. They give you a demo script, so you can head over here to the examples on GitHub, and then basically the Regex Scanner is in here. So that's basically the code we are going to use. And as the name suggests, basically it's like regex scanning for secrets and for PII and those kind of things. So this is highly customizable, and you could use an LLM like ChatGPT, for example, to have you write certain things because, like there's obviously the social security number in the United States, but this format varies heavily across the world. So if you use your model in other countries, you have to deal with other regex patterns and stuff. Excuse me. And so basically, this is a scanner which takes multiple user inputs like this, right? Like, for example, ignore the previous instructions and do this instead. This would probably not fall under in the regex scanner because this is not like a secret per se. This is a prompt injection. So that should be found by a prompt guard. But the job of this specific regex scanning tool is more like to identify secrets, block secrets, and also block PII, PHI information and stuff like that. Credit card should be flagged, obviously. Email is questionable. So some organizations see the email as sensitive or have it categorized in a layered system. Others do not say that. It depends. If you're a salesperson and you want people to reach out to you, you put it on a website, right? But this needs to be fine-tuned per organization. The same goes for phone number, for example. The phone number is like, hey, certain salespeople or financial advisors, they want their phone number out so they can interact with people and receive calls. And internal phone numbers are probably considered sensitive and stuff. Social security number, I agree to that. That's something which should not be public by no means. And then the last one is just a benign one. And I want to really quickly show you how this looks like. So if you look at the code here, you basically see like these test cases which are being done. So you can change those, right? Like you can basically come in here and create more user messages and stuff. So this is the same what we have just seen on the website. This is just to basically demo how the regex scanner works. And what we're going to do is we just run this and observe the outputs, right? And then we can compare to what we have seen in the code. And basically here you already see that what was blocked and what was not blocked. And so basically the credit card obviously was a blocked action. The email was a blocked action. So you would need to change this if an email shall not be blocked, for example. Call me at the phone number here was blocked as well. The social security number was blocked, and only the last one was allowed where it said the user input was this message doesn't contain any sensitive information. And then this is where what I mentioned earlier, right? Like so that the custom regex scanner, but this is where you can customize things and whether it's allowed, whether it's not allowed. So for example, eval function, I would not allow this normally, right? Like because you can do a lot of danger or a lot of damage with this and stuff like this. And then this is a normal message. Yeah, this is allowed. Credit card number should be blocked, right? But this is where you can fine tune and tweak according to your organizational needs, basically. But this is not focused on prompt injection per se. This is more focused on sensitive information, which should not be sent into an LLM or returned by an LLM, like input filter, output filter, basically. I hope this makes sense, and I will see you in one of my next videos.